Jordan Luka 4 Navidor brings vibrant energy and next-gen performance to Luka Dončić's signature line. This eye-catching colorway features a bold fusion of deep navy, crisp white, and hot pink accents that pop against the sleek silhouette. Designed for quick, shifty guards like Luka, the upper uses breathable engineered mesh with reinforced overlays to deliver both comfort and support. A metallic silver tongue and vivid pink Luka logo add futuristic flair, while wavy stitch detailing gives the shoe dynamic movement. Underfoot, Jordan brand's Cushlon 3.0 foam provides responsive, lightweight cushioning ideal for explosive drives and step-back threes. The rubber outsole sports an aggressive traction pattern in bright pink, ensuring excellent grip on the hardwood. With a streamlined design and performance-driven tech, the Luka 4 Navidor isn't just a standout visually, it's built to dominate. This colorway perfectly reflects Luka's flashy style and unrelenting competitiveness on the court.